Today, we're going to talk about Ethereum. So Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin. And Ethereum is very different than Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is something where it is digital money. Ethereum can be digital money, but it's also a decentralized platform. And that decentralized platform can run a variety of different apps and programs, including decentralized finance apps and services. And there's so many cool things that are already running on Ethereum. From really cool financial apps to games to tools, there's all sorts of things on the platform. And its future is truly open to whatever the developers can come up with. So the question then becomes, how does Ethereum work? So Ethereum has this really cool key innovation called smart contracts. And the way smart contracts work are the same way that paper contracts work. But the difference between smart contracts and regular old-fashioned paper contracts is that smart contracts will execute automatically, and each party on each side of the contract doesn't know who the other person is, and they don't have to. The reason why is Ethereum is the intermediary. Now, Ethereum is very similar to Bitcoin, where it's decentralized. So what that means is nobody owns Ethereum, and anybody with an internet connection can run a node or interact with people on Ethereum. But Ethereum does differ from Bitcoin because it has this smart contract technology. Now, Ethereum and Bitcoin are similar because they are secured by a network of various computers that are called miners. Now, you've heard people talk about mining before. You can mine Ethereum and you can mine Bitcoin with computer nodes. And that's the reward for putting up and staking your computer as a miner. But eventually, Ethereum plans on phasing out mining in favor of starting to allow people to start staking Ethereum. Now, how is Ethereum still created? Well, today, people can still mine Ethereum if you have a powerful enough computer. You can start to mine Ethereum today. The thing to note is that you're competing with very large companies who have very large computers and processors. So you may just want to consider that if you're considering mining. Now, I know people who do have very small mining rigs who do make it profitable. So it is something that is still possible, but just making sure you know the risks at hand before you start investing $10,000 into an Ethereum miner. Now, why does the price of Ethereum fluctuate? Now, this is a major thing that we want to talk about here because Ethereum doesn't have any intrinsic value. So if you think about something like a stock or a bond, they have intrinsic value backed by financials, backed by what the company is doing, how many products it sold, things like that. But Ethereum does not have that intrinsic value. So it is only worth what someone else is willing to pay for it. So it's a supply and demand thing. You may see the prices of cryptocurrency going up and going down. I mean, that's because the supply is up or the supply is down. So just remembering that the price is dictated by what somebody else is willing to pay for it. You can think of it the same way as gold. Gold has no intrinsic value either. It's whatever someone else is willing to pay for that gold. And cryptocurrency is no different. And lastly, you might be thinking, well, how can I buy some Ethereum? Well, Ethereum, you can either buy in an exchange, something like Coinbase or something like that, or you can start to mine Ethereum as well. So those are the two options to go out and buy Ethereum. And as cryptocurrency advances, more and more brokerages are allowing you to buy cryptocurrency. So listen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the basics of Ethereum. Just remembering that the difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin is mainly the smart contracts, and there's a bunch of different things that you can do with Ethereum, like creating apps and decentralized financial services. That are things that you don't really do typically on Bitcoin. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell as well. And if you like this video, here are 2 more videos that I know you're going to love. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next video.